Press and hold the set key until the number on the display changes to 1. Then press and hold the up button to raise the door tray height you are happy with and release it. Then press the set button again and the number on the display changes to 2. Then press and hold the down button to lower the door to a height you are happy with and release it. Finally, press the set button again to memorize the operation. Confirm the door operation is correct. Congratulations! The setup is successful.